So whether you're natural or you color treat your hair, your Gloss Purple Color Enhancement is going to boost the vibrancy of your hair color. So if your hair is silver or gray or white, it's going to take out that yellow tone. And for my blondes and brunettes, it's going to balance out that unwanted brassy tones, all while giving your hair an amazingly miraculous glass-like shine. So I don't want you to think of this as your old school purple shampoo. It's not like that at all. So this is my salon professional hair color manufacturer out of Italy who worked with me to put translucent color pigments into this creamy, rich, restorative formulation. So in place of your conditioner, you're gonna use the gloss. But the best part, there's no ammonia, there's no peroxide, there's no heat, there's no off tones. This is a one-of-a-kind liposome technology. You never have to worry about your hair turning blue or purple. And as you can see, it starts with a full vibrancy of color, then just blend it into my hand. And because of the shea butter, the vitamin F, macadamia oil, and Provitamin B5, notice the intensive hydration of my skin even. And wait till you see what it does on your hair. It's truly miraculous. So this is a temporary treatment that lasts from 6 to 8 shampoos. You're gonna start by shampooing your hair first. Then what you'll do is get out the excess water, whether you wring it out or towel dry it out, before you're gonna apply your gloss. You're gonna use a generous amount because we wanna make sure it's getting all over from roots to ends to add that vibrancy to your color. You can emulsify first and then run it all the way through your hair. You can leave this on from 5 to 20 minutes, whatever works best for you. I love using the smoothie brush in the shower with my gloss to make sure I evenly distribute the product. After it's been on for the desired time that you like, you just go ahead and rinse. Here's a tip from me. Because the liposome technology really locks in hair color molecules, after you get your hair color, in a week, even if you just want to use it for 2 minutes, it really will help your hair color stay longer. So this is a very decadent product and you're going to feel like you just walked out of the salon. So enjoy your new beautiful hair.